today we are doing something exciting. I don't know if it's exciting or not, but we're going to do it anyways.
It's a microwave brownie maker.
Alright, so we were at our local Dollar General. We ran across this item. This item was how much?
$1.
$1.
One.
That wasn't on sale. It wasn't a special. It was just $1. I thought, we have got to try this thing out. I have never once thought about making brownies in the microwave, but...
I have, like, at least one.
Alright, so it says that we can make a brownie in the microwave in 3.5 minutes. So, we're going to try this out. I will say this, on the back there is this funny little warning. I'll put it up on the screen. It says, caution, must add water. Failure to add water may result in product melting or becoming flammable. So, we will make sure we add water. Water. Alright guys, so before we get into this, make sure you like and subscribe, hit the bell icon below, and you'll get more videos like this.
Maybe even better. And longer. See, that's my part now.
Alright guys, so let's change this angle just a little bit, just so you can see. Alright, so what we're going to do today is Roxy has picked out the salted caramel brownie mix. This is just Betty Crocker. This actually costs more than this. This was like $2. We are not following the directions on this box. We're going to follow...
We already know the directions.
We're going to follow the directions on this box. So in this container, get rid of the sleeve. I'm not going to throw it away because, one, the directions are on the back, but they're also on the bottom of the pan. The problem with that is if you're mixing this up and you put it in the pan, then you can no longer read the directions. You can put it on the bottom, that way you dump it out when you look. So this box, it comes with this measuring tool. So you get a brownie mix, oil, 1 egg, and some water. And on the sides, you can see it's kind of frosted. So it tells you exactly how much to add in each one, except for the egg. The egg I'm not going to put in here just because 1 egg is 1 egg regardless of where this container says it is. So you ready to go? I'm thinking we make it 2 of these brownies out of this box. So you ready?
Yes.
You want to open that? Here, let's... I wonder if there's a happy medium. Is there a happy medium between it? No.
What is...
A happy medium between the box and us. Ooh, it came with caramel.
Yeah.
Alright, no. So, I'm really not sure which angle we should go with. Hold on. We're going to go to the table. I think that way at least you can see.
Okay, you open it.
Alright, so, watch this bad boy. This will either make a big mess or be perfect. You ready? Ooh, looky there. Hold on, I gotta add. Alright guys, so we have officially got it all mixed up. Roxy did it all by herself. So this does call for caramel. I think you're supposed to put it on before it bakes. But I know that's what she's waiting for. But we're going to wait afterwards. That way we get a true sense of whether or not it actually just cooks the brownie or anything else.
No, I'm just enjoying life right now.
So what we're going to do is we're going to put this in the microwave for 3 minutes to 3.5 minutes, and then we're supposed to let it cool down. It did not say anything about greasing the pan. It didn't say anything about adding extra oil to the pan prior to. So we will see. Are you ready? All right, we'll be right back. Alright guys, so it has been 3.5 minutes, plus we let it cool here for about 5 minutes. Here it is with the caramel on it. We spread out a little bit. I know you might have seen it on the other part. It smelled amazing in the microwave.
Oh, yeah.
So we're going to cut into this and try it out. So we didn't want to add a lot of caramel to this, just for the fact.
It's taking all the caramel with it.
We didn't want to take away from the brownie itself. Again, we didn't put anything on this pan.
Oh, wow.
So
it doesn't have to be. Put it on the plate before it falls.
There's one. Now this is still pretty warm.
Yeah.
So it being mushed is my fault, not the. Oh, I only got one fork.
Wow.
All right, guys. So here is the brownie. We got caramel. It's still a little warm, so it is a little crumbly. So we're gonna drop a fork, drop a knife.
I got it without.
Are you ready? We got it without the caramel first. Doink.
Chewy.
That is not bad. That's not bad at all. Let's try it with a little bit of caramel. Now, not every brownie mix comes with caramel.
I'm still chewing it.
Ready? Doink. Did we doink them first one? Okay.
Oh my. Buy this.
I'm pretty impressed. So, I do have a couple of problems with this.
What?
While Roxy here is eating her brownie, our pro is it was only $1. It came with a handy little mixing thing. It's in the sink. I'm not going to show you our dirty mixing thing. It was only $1. It was pretty easy to find. Only problem I have is this. So, the whole container of brownie mix would not fit in the measuring cup thing.
Yeah.
So I don't know if every brownie mix is a little bit different. But this one only had about this much left, which when I measured it out is about half of one of these brownies. So the next go around we'll only have enough for half. So we'd have to have 2 boxes to make 3 batches. So that would be a downside. On the plus side, you get brownies. Lots of brownies. It took 3 minutes. Of course, every microwave is a little bit different.
Yeah.
I would highly recommend the Rapid Microwave Brownie Maker.
It's delicious. Not that, but brownies. You had too much sugar.
Guys, we really appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you so much for being with us.
Share with your friends and Spicy Boys and Spicy Girls.
Of course, follow us on Facebook, Twitter, now Instagram, and of course here on YouTube. Like and subscribe, hit the bell icon below, and you'll get more like this. Alright guys, till next time. Let's make it look fancy.
Wait, here, let me spread it. You don't spread it well.
I'm spreading it. Alright, so
Oh! They just fell asleep. They fell asleep because we're boring.
Alright guys, so it is a little crumbly, so we're going to drop a fork, drop a knife,